Mom, I got enough water. That's enough. There.
It is.
I think we need a little bit more water, huh? Because it's a little bit hard. Yeah.
It might be a little too much water, huh?
Uh-huh.
But it might be perfect too. Just mix it all up and we'll assess.
Yeah, sometimes I'm trying to make it metal good. Trying to make it metal gooder before we mix it. But it's little harder. That means I need more water for it. And make it a little more gooder. Oh, it's a more. Oh!
Alright, stop pulling his hair. It's too much water. What do you put?
Powder.
Okay. So let's put some powder. That's perfect.
I need to taste that mix. This is like too much water.
No. Not too much, remember?
There, that was good. I'm gonna make it into something.
Okay. Go ahead.
I'm gonna make it into a Mario face. That what I was gonna say.
Mix it up good, buddy.
There, it was like a Mario. There.
No, mix it.
There, it was good. Put it on a plate now.
Okay.
I'm gonna make Daddy a pancake.
Okay.
And Rudy a pancake.
You got this. You got it. I'm watching.
I need to set it out. I did it. I did it. I'm gonna put it on the plate.
Good job. You're supposed to be doing what with your other hand? There you go. Make sure it gets all over the bottom of the pan. Now put some batter in there. Yeah, set that down on the side.
I got a lot of butter right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yep. You got this. Be careful. Pay attention to your surroundings. There you go. Got it? One more spoonful. All right, now put the bowl down. Put the spoon in the bowl, put it down.
Thank you, Mama. I fixed my stool so much better.
And you're what are you waiting for?
For pancake.
The bubbles? Heat up later.
I want to put anything for him. I see it as a prize.
Okay. You want to flip it?
Yeah.
You want to try to flip it by yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Hold. Make sure you know you gotta hold it right. The spatula, you gotta hold it. Flip your hand. You got it. Let's see.
Oh, so
Flip. Yeah, like that. Yeah, better control. Good job.
Oh, I need to put it back to normal.
There you go. Yeah.
Oh man.
Good job, buddy.
And now I need pastries. And I said that right here. I'm going to.
Good
Yeah.
job.
Do you want your pancake make a flirt? Do you want your pancake look nice?
I love it.
Oh wait, I need to put it back to normal. flat it up. There. But so hot. It's so hot, Mama. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I'm almost got it. I need help, Mama. I think my video guy is hurting. Ow. See? I need help, Mama. I keep burning me. There.
Good job. Nova, a knife?
No. Bye, me. Watch my videos. Bye.